to the session of Intellectinator. Here in this session, we will cover up and discuss all the good apps that are present in Play Store, which a JE aspirant can refer to solve his/her doubt without spending any penny. So let's get started. So first one is Akash iTutor app. In Akash iTutor app, you can, just like all other doubt solving apps, you have to just take a snap of your question that you want to ask the faculty and then upload it in that app. Before doing this, you have to sign up there. You have to create your account there, and then you can use that app. So there is a limitation of using Akash iTutor is the app that you can ask only one question per day, and the faculty, according to my experience, the faculty take all like 1 day to reply your answer. And the good part is that you get a solution in the form of PDF, not a video solution or other thing. And that answer of that you get from the Akash iTutor will be authentic, of course, because these are sold by a real faculty. So that's all about Akash iTutor app. And next app we have is GoPrep app. So in GoPrep app, there is a community tab in this app, and that in community tab you just have to click a snap of your question and upload it on that community tab. Then the student like you, other students like you will voluntarily solve your question and will provide you the solution of that question. Okay, now in GoPrep app, no real faculty will solve your question. Only the students who are similar like you, struggling with questions, are helping each other there in that community tab. But if you want the GoPrep faculty to solve your questions, you have to take the premium of that app. Yeah, that means you have to purchase the premium version of that app. But the good thing about GoPrep app is that you can discuss your question with the person that is solving your doubt, which is not in the Akash iTutor app. In Akash iTutor app, you can't reply the solution that you get from the educator. You can't discuss with them. Okay, so in that way, GoPrep is somewhat better than Akash iTutor app. And in GoPrep app, there is no limitation of asking question. You can ask as many as question, but in Akash iTutor app, you can ask only one question per day. So third one is Melvano app, which is becoming popular day by day. Actually, Melvano is created by the students of IIT Madras, and that is very incredible app. And in that app, you can, along with doubts, you can get live tests and free tests also to speed up your preparation. And in Melvano 2, you have no limitations of asking question. You can ask as many as question. And there is also a this works like a Facebook, because it have just like post like feature. You have to post your doubt, then a real faculty or the student from IIT Madras will answer your question. So you don't have to worry about the quality of your solution or the authenticity of the solution, because a student from IIT Madras will solve your question. And someone like some student like you also can answer your question there. So that's all about, and also you have discussion over there. So that's all about Melvano app, and I personally recommend Melvano app over all other apps. That is pretty good app. And next one is our Telegram. Okay, so in Telegram app there are some groups in which students are asking questions in bulk. The groups which I recommend is, one is Anu Sir group. Okay, so Dr. Anu Gupta is a renowned faculty in Kota. He created his group over in Telegram. Here you can ask your question, and the faculty will pose a solution for you. There are lots of students who are asking their questions in bulk. And the second group in the Telegram that I recommend is JS Sir and GB Sir. Okay, JS Sir and GB Sir are the faculty which are studying, which are educating in E2 India Kota, and they are pretty famous teachers nowadays, and they will answer your doubt. And some other teachers are also connected there in that group, which will solve your questions. Okay, so the link of these Telegram groups I will share in the description. You can check out those links. And next one I want to discuss is Socratic. Okay, Socratic actually provide you all the solutions of your question which are present over the web. Okay, it is associated with Google. So you just have to scan the question of your that you want to ask, and Socratic the will search all the similar questions or the sources over there which have these which have that question or on the web, and put it on only one screen. Okay, so you don't have to go here and there to over the Google to search your question. Socratic will, and you don't have to in Google you have to type or you have to do voice search, but in Socratic app you just have to take a snap of your question. Okay, so Socratic is not that much helpful because sometimes there are questions from institute which are unique, which are not present over the web. Okay, so that some rare questions cannot be found on the web, and that will be not solved by using the Socratic app. And so that's about Socratic app. And now next one is Vedantu. So Vedantu is pretty good app, and in Vedantu you have you can ask only 2 questions per day, and in Vedantu you can chat with a real faculty. You can chat in real time. You have to upload a question over there, and then after verifying your question, a faculty will be assigned to you, and that faculty will discuss will ask you to wait for some time, and they will solve you out and post a snap of that solution, and that you can refer. Okay, so personally I have experienced that whenever you ask moderate to easy to moderate level questions, they can answer that question. But sometimes at some of the coaching have high level problems, HLP, or they have some advanced level problems. Sometimes the Vedantu's doubt experts are not able to solve that to these type of questions. I asked a faculty there's a very tough question that I asked to Vedantu expert, and he wasted my lot of time, and even after that he was not able to solve that questions. So after all these apps, the last one that I want to discuss is Doubtnut. Okay, Doubtnut is very famous, and it is making its market. Its market is increasing day by day, and it is the most used app nowadays. In Doubtnut, what you have video solutions. So you just have to take a snap of your question, and the lots of video solutions similar to your questions or of your questions will appear, and you have to you can watch that video to refer the solution of your question. So the thing which I don't like about Doubtnut is that it do not provide text solution, because I usually prefer text solutions, because you don't have to time to watch all the long video to get a solution. You just want to refer a text solution so that you can quickly refer the solution and then move on. But and in Doubtnut too you have the Google section also. Doubtnut's app also search the question that you have clicked over the Google, and show you the all the websites over the web which have which have that question you have asked. So that's all about Doubtnut. Okay, so these are some apps which you can refer for solving your doubts. There are other apps too present in Play Store which you can refer to solve your doubt, but there are many apps present in Play Store which are just useless, and you will waste lot of your time. Okay guys, so that's all for this video, and thanks for watching Intellectinator.